In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a Facebook account effortlessly. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And let's get started. First, open the Facebook app. If you're already logged into another Facebook account, you will need to log out. Simply go to the menu, scroll down and select Log Out, and then confirm the logout action. Once you have logged out, tap on Create New Account, then select Get Started and proceed to enter your first and last name. Tap on Next. Enter your birthday details, year, month and day, and then tap on Next. Select your gender from the option provided, female, male or custom, and tap Next. Next, enter your phone number to receive a verification code. After entering your phone number, tap on Next. Create a new password for your account and tap Next. You will be prompted to save your login info for future convenience. It's recommended to do so. Tap Save and then I agree. A 5-digit confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the code and tap Next. Congratulations, your Facebook account has been successfully created. You can personalize it further by adding a profile picture and more, but for now, let's move on. Tap Next to skip adding friends for now. This will take you to your new Facebook account. Feel free to explore the menu and customize your new Facebook profile. If you have any questions about this tutorial, leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.